Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. First of all, open the Binance app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I've already signed up. After that, tap the Add Funds option at the top. Here, choose Buy with USD or whichever currency you use. Now, enter the amount of money you want to send to your Binance account. Then, select the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Next, tap on Pay With, select card, and hit Confirm. If you haven't added your Payoneer card before, tap Add New Card. Now, enter your Payoneer card details and then tap Confirm. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the transaction. And that's all there is to it. That's basically how you can send money from Payoneer to Binance. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.